Hey Siri, can you turn on night shift?
I've turned on night shift until sunrise tomorrow. You can schedule night shift to turn on every night in settings.
Well, guys, if Siri not listening to you, then you can follow these two other steps also. Swipe down and go to your control center. Then tap on brightness, long press. Then you will see night shift is off. You just have to make it on. Okay, and likewise you can get blue light filter. Okay, if you want the same thing from settings, what you can do, let me go to settings, open settings, then go to display and brightness. Okay, now you will see night shift, tap there. Okay, there are two options, schedule, you can schedule from what time to what time, or you can set it to manually until tomorrow. So that's it, guys. Likewise, you can turn on blue light filter on your iPhone. So thanks for watching the video, guys. See you on the next video.